Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Okay, so first of all, just let me know if my video is visible to you and my voice is audible to you. Yeah? Please mark your answer. All right, so that's fine. Means my voice is visible, audible to you, and my video is visible to you. Okay, so today we will try to do few questions which have been asked in JEE in previous year from trigonometry. All right, now just let me know, have you done your trigonometry? Just raise your thumb or like reply in the chat box. Have you done trigonometry in your schools? Or you can unmute yourself and speak up quickly. Students, please tell me, have you done trigonometry or not? Yes, anybody who would like to speak and would like to say something? Only half. Somebody has told me only half. Okay. We will do few questions. I will also try to explain the formulas or the theorems we are going to use for them. All right. So I'll start with this simple question first of all. Simultaneously, I'll keep on writing like which formula am I using. Okay, so all of you must be aware that there is a formula for 1 plus cos 2 alpha. 1 plus cos 2 alpha, and that is 2 cos square alpha. Am I clear? And another formula is 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta. Are you guys aware of this formula? Tell me, see, if you don't respond, it will be very difficult to carry on. Well, now they are saying first this equation under root 2 sine alpha upon under root of 1 plus cos 2 alpha is 1 by 7. Got it? So this is under root 2 sine alpha upon inside the root. This 1 plus cos 2 alpha is 2 cos square alpha. It is given as 1 by 7. Am I clear? So you cancel root 2 and you get value of tan alpha as 1 by 7. No hi-fi formula, only simple formula of cos 2 theta I have used. All right. Now come to the second one. Under root of 1 minus cos 2 beta upon 2. It is given as 1 by root 10. All right. So inside the root, it can be written as 2 sine square beta upon 2 is 1 by root 10. From this, I can say that sine beta is 1 upon root 10. Now, why I am not considering modulus or anything? Because alpha and beta are given to me in 0 to pi by 2. Fair enough? Now, we have these two values. Now, another formula which I am going to use is tan 2 theta is equals to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Got it. Now they are asking you for the value of tan alpha plus 2 beta. So this tan alpha plus 2 beta is equals to, now another formula which we will be using is tan A plus B. So this tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. So this will be tan alpha plus tan 2 beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan 2 beta. Am I clear? Now from sine beta, I can say that tan beta equals to what? Now there is a triangle. This angle is beta. Sine beta 1 by root 10 means, say this is 1, this is root 10. So this will be 3. So value of tan beta goes 1 by 3. So in that case, tan 2 beta is 2 tan beta upon 1 minus tan square beta. That is 2 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 9. So it is 2 by 3 divided by 8 by 9. So it will become 3 upon 4. Fair enough? Now you have tan alpha as 1 by 7, tan 2 beta as 3 by 4. Replace these values. So 1 by 7 plus 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 1 by 7 into 3 by 4. So it will be 21 and 4. 25 upon 28 divided by 25 upon 28. Am I clear? They are cancelled. You get answer as 1. They were asking for then tan alpha plus 2 beta is equal to. Got it? See it once, absorb it. See, got it? Now, let's go. Now there is a question. L is sine square pi by 16 minus sine square pi by 8. M is cos square pi by 16 minus sine square pi by 8. Then they're asking for value of M, value of L, M and L. Give it a try. I'll run a poll for you. Give it a try. Yes, try quickly. All right. Yes, 2 people have answered C. Well, I'll end this. It was an easy question. Let's try. Now see, I'll start with L. L, they are saying sine square pi by 16 minus sine square pi by 8. Let's multiply this L by 2. So 2L is what? 2 sine square pi by 16 minus 2 sine square pi by 8. Am I correct? Now, I will use again this formula that 2 sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta. So it will be 1 minus cos pi by 8 minus 1 minus cos pi by 4. That is double of the angle. All right. So it is 1 minus cos pi by 8 minus 1 plus cos pi by 4. So this 1 cancel. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 minus cos pi by 8. So value of L is 1 upon 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 cos pi by 8. And in that case, neither Calcutta is matching nor Delhi is matching. C and D both incorrect. Now if I go with A and B, M. M is cos square pi by 16 minus cos square pi by 8. Fair enough? Sorry, minus sine square pi by 8. Cos square pi by 16 minus sine square pi by 8. Now again same thing I will do. 2m is 2 cos square pi by 16 minus 2 sine square pi by 8. Now this cos square theta is 2 cos square theta. I will replace 1 plus cos 2 theta, double of the angle. So it will become 1 plus cos pi by 8 minus. Again same formula, 2 sine square theta as 1 minus cos 2 theta. So it will be 1 minus cos pi by 4. Am I correct? Now it is 1 minus plus cos pi by 8 minus 1 plus cos pi by 4. So that is 1 by root 2 plus cos pi by 8. This is 2m. So m came what? 1 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 cos pi upon 8. Does any option matching? 1 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 cos pi by 8. Ahmedabad is correct. Now see it once. Absorb it. Simultaneously keep on revising the formulas of trigonometry. Check it quickly. Got it? Now, let's go. This is what we won't do now. You are not might not be aware of the formulas of log. Well, the number of values of x for which sin x minus sin 2x plus sin 3x is equals to 0. So it is sin x plus sin 3x minus sin 2x equals to 0. Now, first formula which I am going to use here is sin c plus sin d. Anybody in the class who would like to let me know what is sin c plus sin d? Anybody? JNV Dibrugarh, would you like to speak? Anybody who would like to say something? Sin C plus sin D. The formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D upon 2 cos C minus D upon 2. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D upon 2 cos C minus D upon 2. So if I apply it here on these two, so sin C plus sin D is 2 sin x plus 3x upon 2 into cos x minus 3x upon 2 minus sin 2x equals to 0. Now we are also aware of the formula of sin 2 theta, that is 2 sin theta cos theta. Yes or no? So now here it comes 2 sin 2x cos x. Let's not do it. Let's keep it sin 2x only because sin 2x is coming common from there. So if you take sin 2x common, you get 2 cos x minus 1 equals to 0. Got it? Now, what are the possibilities? Either sin 2x is 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 equals to 0. That means cos x is 1 by 2. Now, they are saying in the question that x lies between 0 to pi by 2. So, if x lies between 0 to pi by 2, cos x equals to half is having only one possibility, that is x equals to pi by 3. Am I correct? Now, when sin 2x equals to 0, now see, x lying between 0 to pi by 2. So 2x will lie between 0 to pi. Am I clear? So in that case, 2x can be what? 0 or pi. So x will be 0 or pi by 2. So two solutions here. So there are total three solutions of this equation. That is pi by 3, 0 and pi by 2. Have a look at it. See once. Got it? Hmm. All right. Now, say the next question is, this was also in JEE Mains 2019. Theta belongs to minus 2 pi to 2 pi. 2 cos square theta plus 3 sin theta is equals to 0. Then sum of the elements of S. Means S is what? S is those theta which are lying in minus 2 pi to 2 pi, for which 2 cos square theta plus 3 sin theta is equals to 0. Now you want to solve it for theta. So see, there is a sin theta. I can also change this cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. So it will be 2 minus 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta equals to 0. So it is 2 sin square theta minus 3 sin theta minus 2 equals to 0. Now factorization we all are aware of. Got it? So it will be 2 sin square theta minus 4 sin theta plus sin theta minus 2 equals to 0. To take 2 sin theta common, it comes sine theta minus 2. Then you take plus 1 common, you get sine theta minus 2 equals to 0. As of now, I did not do anything. I used only one identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. And then I'm factorizing the quadratic which I got in terms of sine theta. So I get sine theta minus 2 and 2 sine theta plus 1 as 0. Now see, sine theta can never be 2. The maximum value of sine theta is 1. That means sine theta is minus 1 by 2. Now, minus 1 by 2 sine theta will be, if I take in 0 to 2 pi, it will be minus 1 by 2. It will be either in third quadrant or it is in fourth quadrant. So in third quadrant, it will be pi plus pi by 6. In fourth quadrant, it will be 2 pi minus pi by 6. Now, since x is given to me in minus 2 pi to 2 pi, now one value will be minus pi by 6 and other value will be minus of 5 pi by 6. Got it? So, sum of all these values, there are 7 pi by 6 plus 11 pi by 6 minus pi by 6 minus 5 pi by 6. So it is 18 pi by 6 minus 6 pi by 6. That is 2 pi. So your answer is Bombay. Very good question and simple also. Have a look. Got it? I think you must be gaining some confidence that these are the questions which are being asked in JEE Mains and they are not too tough. You are aware of almost all the terminologies, all the formulas which we are using in this question. So doing PYQs has always been a very healthy practice. Now let's see, this question was there in JEE Advanced. This question was there in JEE Advanced 2017 paper 2. Let alpha beta be the non-zero numbers such that twice of cos beta minus cos alpha plus cos alpha cos beta equals to 1. Then which of the following is true? Tan alpha by 2 is equals to root 3 times tan beta by 2 and so on and so forth. All right. Now, how do we do it? Now see. 2 cos beta minus 2 cos alpha plus cos alpha cos beta is equals to 1. This is given to me. Got it? Let's write alpha in terms of beta. So you will get cos alpha common, cos beta minus 2 is 1 minus 2 cos beta. Cos alpha into cos beta minus 2 is 1 minus 2 cos beta. So from there we got cos alpha is 1 minus 2 cos beta upon cos beta minus 2. Now see, there is a, like you must have done it in your 8th or 9th standard, componendo and dividendo. If A upon B is C upon D, then we can say A plus B upon A minus B is C plus D upon C minus D. As of now, I did not use anything, but this is something new, might be new for you. This is what we call componendo and dividend. If a plus b equals to c upon d, then a plus b upon a minus b. That means addition of numerator and denominator in the numerator here also. Difference of numerator and denominator here also. Got it. Now if I use it here, see, it is 1 in the denominator. So it will be cos alpha plus 1. Right side will be 1 minus 2 cos beta plus cos beta 1. Right side it will be 1 minus 2 cos beta minus cos beta minus 2. Got it? So it became 1 plus cos alpha upon, might take minus common, 1 minus cos alpha is equals to, numerator will be, take minus common, 1 plus cos beta upon, it will be plus 2 here. So 3 times 1 minus cos beta. Got it? Now this minus minus goes positive. All right. Now I have another formula. 1 minus cos alpha, or I should say 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta is tan square theta by 2. Am I clear? So this equation will be 1 minus cos alpha upon 1 plus cos alpha is 3 times 1 minus cos beta upon 1 plus cos beta. So left side it will be tan square alpha by 2 is 3 times tan square beta by 2. Got it? Now they're asking for this kind of relation, tan alpha by 2 plus root alpha by 2 is plus minus of root 3 times tan beta by 2. Got it? Now the answers are tan alpha by 2 plus root 3 tan beta by 2 is 0. This is correct. Root 3 tan alpha by 2 not correct. Tan alpha by 2 minus root 3 tan beta by 2 correct. And this is also not correct. With the inclusion of plus minus sign, this happened. See it once. Simple question. Just to give you confidence that yes, simple questions are also asked in JEE Advanced. See quickly. Am I clear? Now, see the equation y equals to sin x plus 2 minus sin square x plus 1. You try it once. I'm launching a poll. I give you 2 minutes to think on it. Yes, quickly. Yes. First, second, and fourth quadrant, first, third, and fourth quadrant, second and third quadrant. All right. Now, let's do it. The question is y equals to sin x plus 2 minus sin square x plus 1. All right. So, first of all, the first formula which I am going to use is 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B. That is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Later on, we'll see if something else is required. So that means 2y equals to 2 sin x plus 2 minus 2 sin square x plus 1. So first of all, 2 sin A sin B is cos A minus B, that is cos 2 minus cos A plus B. So that will be 2x plus 2 minus 2 sin square x plus 1. Am I clear? So it is cos 2 minus. Now I will use another formula, that is cos 2 theta. That is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, which I have listed like previously also. So it is 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 1. Am I correct? So it is cos 2 minus 1 plus 2 sin square x plus 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 1. And out of surprise, these two terms cancel. So you are left with minus of 1 minus cos 2, which we can write 2 sin square 1. Now see, this is 2y. So y is what? Minus of sin square 1. Now this is a line. Y equals to minus of sin square 1. This is a line and y is negative. So this is this kind of line, such that this point will be 0 comma minus sin square 1. Got it? So 0 comma minus of sin square 1. And this is what? This is a line which is lying in third and fourth quadrant. Third and fourth quadrant. Simple question. This was also not latest, but it was like earlier JEE advanced question. Quite an old ago. See it once. Got it? Now, the maximum value of 3 cos theta plus 5 sin theta minus pi by 6 for any real value of theta. Okay, first of all, let me give you idea about it. Say we have an expression a sin theta plus b cos theta. You want to maximize it or minimize it. You want to find its maximum minimum value. So what do we do? First of all, these two theta should be same. It should not be like with sine it is theta, with cos it is 2 theta. It should not be like this. Both theta should be same. So what do? We multiply and divide by under root of a square plus b square. What do? Multiply and divide by under root of a square plus b square. That is coefficient of sine theta, coefficient of cos theta. So it will become under root of a square plus b square, a upon under root of a square plus b square into sine theta, plus b upon under root of a square plus b square into cos theta. We can write it like this. Now, let us assume a triangle. This triangle is having this b, this a. So this will be under root of a square plus b square, and say this angle is some alpha. All right. So it is under root of a square plus b square sine theta. This a upon under root of a square plus b square will be what? Cos alpha. Cos alpha plus cos theta. This will be sine. So I can say it is under root of a square plus b square cos theta minus theta plus alpha. Now see, had there been negative sign, negative here, it could be sine, sorry, not cos. It will be sine theta minus alpha or sine theta plus alpha. Now if you see the maximum value of this, its minimum value is what? -1, and its maximum value is what? 1. So that means this this E will be having minimum value as minus under root of a square plus b square, and E maximum value will be under root of a square plus b square. Got it? So this E minimum value is minus under root a square plus b square, and maximum is under root of a square plus b square. And we can simply say that this E lies between minus under root of a square plus b square to under root of a square plus b square. Got it? See, first of all, you get convinced with this. I know you must have not done it in your 11th class syllabus. It is not there in the school syllabus. Just have a look. Got it? Now see how this 39th question, this was in JEE Mains 2019, how this question is like this question and how it is different from this question. If you realize, it is of the almost same type of format, but this angle theta and this angle theta, they are not same. Getting my point? So the question is, say this is the expression 3 cos theta plus 5 sine theta minus pi by 6. Okay, first of all, take a moment. I give you 1 minute to think about it. All right, and I will launch a poll. If you get the correct answer, mark it. Go with it quickly. People marked answer B. All right. Now, how do we do it? See, since the angle is not same, first of all, we'll expand this sine A minus B. So it is 3 cos theta plus 5 sine theta cos pi by 6 minus cos theta sine pi by 6. All right. So it is 3 cos theta plus 5 times. Cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. So it is root 3 by 2 sine theta minus it will be sine pi by 6. So it is 1 by 2 cos theta. Am I clear? So it is 3 cos theta plus 5 under root 3 by 2 sine theta minus 5 by 2 cos theta. Now you just connect this and this. So it is 3 minus 5 by 2 cos theta plus 5 under root 3 upon 2 sine theta. Am I clear? So 6 minus 5, it is 1 by 2 cos theta plus 5 under root 3 by 2 sine theta. Now it has came into my fruitful form. Got it? They're asking for the maximum value. So if this is E, so E max will be what? That is under root of A square plus B square. 1 by 2 square plus 5 root 3 upon 2 whole square. So it is denominator came 4. It is 1 plus 75. So answer is what? Under root of 76 by 4. 4 is also inside the root. So it is root 90. Any options? Yes, A is the correct answer. See it. And it is not at all a tough question now. Got it? Now, let's go forward. The value of cos pi by 2 square, cos pi by 2 cube, cos pi upon 2 to the power 10 and so on. See, first of all, let me give you some theory about it. Say we have a sequence that is cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, cos 2 cube theta. I will first of all talk about this only. So what is happening basically, angles are of cosines. First of all, these cosines are multiplying and angles are getting double. For this particular sequence, angle should get double. So theta, then 2 theta, then 4 theta, and then 8 theta. So how do we solve it? This is cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, cos 8 theta. I multiply it by 2 sine theta and divide also 2 sine theta. Got it? Now this 2 sine theta cos theta is what? Sine 2 theta. The formula I'm using here is 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So it came sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, cos 8 theta upon 2 sine theta. Then you multiply it by 2 in the numerator again and the denominator. Then there comes this 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta. So this 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta will be what? Sine 4 theta. Then you left with cos 4 theta, cos 8 theta upon 2 square sine theta. Again multiply and divide it by 2. Now you got 2 sine 4 theta cos 4 theta. Came what? Sine 8 theta. Then cos 8 theta upon 2 cube sine theta. One last time you are multiplying it by 2. So numerator became what? Sine 16 theta upon 2 to the power 4 sine theta. Am I clear? Now, I will give you the exact idea about the formula behind it. See, the question is cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 2 square theta, cos 2 cube theta, cos 2 to the power 4 theta, and so on, cos 2 to the power n minus 1 theta. Now, see, there are n cosines used. So formula for this will be sine of double of the largest angle. Like it was here, largest angle was 8 theta and finally it came 16 theta. So it is sine of 2 to the power n theta upon 2 to the power number of cosines which are used in this sequence. So n into sine of smallest angle theta. So formula I also remember it this way. Sine of double of the largest angle upon 2 to the power number of cosines into sine of smallest angle. Am I clear? Sine of double of the largest angle into 2 to the power number of cosines and sine of smallest angle. Fair enough? Now let's use it in this question. Cos 2 square pi upon 2 square pi upon 2 cube pi upon 2 to the power 10. Now if you realize this is going to be the smallest angle pi upon 2 to the power 10. So I will write the series like cos pi upon 2 to the power 10, cos pi upon 2 to the power 9, cos pi upon 2 to the power 8, and so on up to cos pi upon 2 square into somewhere it is sine pi upon 2 to the power 10. Now this is my series. That is sine of double of the largest angle. Largest angle is pi upon 2 to the pi upon 2 square. Its double will be sine pi by 2 upon 2 to the power number of cosines. Cosines is 9 cosines are being used into sine of the smallest angle pi upon 2 to the power 10. Numerator also here as it is sine pi upon 2 to the power 10. These two are cancelled. You are left with sine pi by 2 1 upon 2 to the power 9. And 2 to the power 9 is 512. Got it? Have a look at this once. All right, guys, that would be all from me for today. And I think I have been able to add certain values to your concepts and your preparation.